but love it. So colored confetti. What? Okay, I got no. Yo, what is up? Welcome back. My name is Rahnni Fitteds. I love fitted hats. I collect fitted hats, and this is a fitted hat channel. Very special video for y'all today. Hatclub sent us a care package. I'm pretty sure I know what hat is in it, but I don't know if you can hear it. It's like some metal thing inside. So they probably sent us some pins or some dope goodies. I don't know, but I'm very excited to open it up. And I'm just gonna get right into it. So let's go. So a special Hatclub box care package. They usually don't send it. Like if you order from hatclub.com, they usually don't send it wrapped like this. So I think this is pretty cool, you know, like special PR box. Like they make it look really fancy. Yeah, I'm grateful. Thank you guys once again, Hatclub. But let's see. I don't have my my pocket knife, so I'll just use some old scissors, cut it up. But this I'm pretty sure is the Ocean Drive fitteds that dropped today, because today's Wednesday, May 4th. So took that out, the thing's inside, and then here's the plain Hatclub box that you usually get. Sounds like confetti. Sounds like a metal type thing. I don't know. Like I said, this is crazy. ASMR. All right, so opening it up. Yeah, Ocean Drive, right? Because look at the colorways. Yeah. Man, this is dope. Hatclub with this collection, it's basically a stone color crown, like a teal brim. The undervisor is like a peach, very ocean-like colors, Ocean Drive, hence the name. But love it. So colored confetti. What? Okay, I got a note, guys. So, oh, dope. It says Rahnni Fitteds. All right, so boom. All right, let me let you guys see it. I love this. Hatclub makes you feel like family for real. So this says Miami vibes for the spring. Enjoy enjoy our Ocean Drive collection, which includes a Hatclub exclusive theme pin from your friends Hatclub. And then this is Davey, aka MVP Panda. I appreciate you as always. This is dope. Love the card, personalized note card, you know, makes me feel special. All right, what is this? Okay, we about to get lit. Yo, Kobe, you see this, bro?
Yeah, bro.
Okay, we about to take some shots. All right, they're trying to get the party started. Hatclub paper. So, not tricking y'all. No special edits in this one. Oh, this was the little this is dope. So shot glass. Yo, we about to fill this up. You know, me and Kobe like to hit the gym, so we might do some pre-workout shots, you know? Kobe, you down?
Oh yeah, bro. Let's get it.
He's ready. He's ready. Well, he's a little tired, but once we hit the shots, yeah, pre-workout shots, we'll be ready. Let's see. Look at that. Pretty dope. Customized Hatclub shot. They should sell this. I like that. I'm not really much of a drinker, so I'm pretty sure I've seen these on like TV or helps mix the alcohol or something. And then I think that's it. So, ooh. Wait. Well, before I show the hat, one more thing. Yo, this is crazy. I love the effort that they're putting into it. It's like they're going all out, you know, like What? What is this? Is like a straw? No, it's not a straw. It's like a mixer, I guess. You know, I drink. I'm not much of a drinker, but from time to time I'll have a a brewski or for special moments, special occasions. But that's my take. To each their own. All right, I think that's it because the rest is just confetti paper. You see the hat right there, honestly. So, Hatclub, it's already an amazing experience. 2, 1, boom! Houston Astros, let's go! This is the one from the collection. This is the hat, Oh man. We got the Astros prototype logo. Check it out. This is the one that caused panic, and this is the one I truly wanted. So for the fact that they sent the one I was really gunning for, that's awesome. Like, that's love right there. I love the colors on the prototype logo where it goes from, the peach vibes onto the teal, and then boom, the Astros A prototype logo. I don't have this one, so I was really hoping. Couldn't secure it today. This sold out so quick, but man, going on to the side patch. So the 50th anniversary side patch, check it out. I don't have the side patch in my collection as well, so this is another win for me. I'm a big fan of this collection. Like, I like the colors, Boom. Going on to the inside of the hat, we got the white guts, we got the peach UV, we got the price tag, we got the made in Bangladesh. All right. Boom. And yeah, so this was a collection that dropped today, Wednesday, May 4th. A lot of teams, it's gotta be more than 10 teams, but this was number 1 on my list. Some other winners, in my opinion, were the Oakland Athletics with the Stomper. That they had the Stomper had the cool sunglasses. I like that one a lot. Another one was the Seattle Mariners. The side patch on that was the 30th anniversary, and that was so nicely colored up. Oh man, missed out on that one too. There were some good ones. The Phillies with the poop patch. That one was pretty cool though. There was a lot of good hats, right? But this was the one, and we'll have Kobe throw up all the hats on there. Kobe's been doing a great job editing the video, so appreciate you, bro. But other than that, man, this is pretty much it. Let me throw it on for you guys. It's not curved, but it fits pretty good. Yeah. So this is very special thanks again to Hatclub. I'm truly grateful. I am going to use this for sure. I don't know if I'm going to be using these. And then once again, I appreciate the note. Awesome care package. Can't wait to start wearing this fitted. I want to wear this fitted, so I need to do a steamer and a curve. Can't trust myself with the hands, but you guys, thank you again for 2,300 subscribers. We're almost at 3K. Let's keep on pushing. Other than that, thank you for all the support. I'm Rahnni Fitteds. Thank you guys again. Don't be afraid to create. Hatclub, thank you so much. Have a great rest of your day, guys, and comment, like, subscribe. Take care. Peace.